In primetime news this evening, disaster. Massive bushfire destroys at least one home and threatens others in Upper St. Andrew community. Prime Minister continues to defend wage increase given to politicians, and supporters left with questions after PNP MP was a no-show for constituency conference.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, as more and more consumers desire electric vehicles, ATL Automotive Group is now the exclusive distributor of the BYD line. I'll give the details a little later on.
Thanks. And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, the humiliation continues for the West Indies cricket team, the men's team that is. They are now in danger of missing the World Cup for the very first time in their illustrious history. I'll give you the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the move by the police to arrest parents who deliberately keep their children away from school?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.